shake that ass, make me wanna throw some cash. Girl, you way too bad, throw that nigga in the trash. You know I'm gon' shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, that I wanna shoot like hoops while I'm riding in the coupe. I got what you want, it ain't nothing but a loop. Don't listen to friends, they don't know what's best for you. I want you, yeah, I wanna shoot.
Order filled.
I think I'm in love, say it way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted, whoa, I be so exhausted, I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this weed and got me lifted. Pour four and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got it all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches up, cause I'ma do it my way. Shit just like the flu, ayy. Shawty said she love me. I told her, who are you, ayy? I ain't with that lame shit since I took at your brain, bitch. All these niggas talking, fuck about what they saying. GTA I'm wasted. Lately I've been anxious. I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. I'ma roll another blunt, getting lost, I'm never found. Guess I'm never good enough for these bitches in my town. I don't really give a fuck, I'm a king like with my crown. Can't think about them all, cause it all gon' hold me down. I done made it through the storm, I ain't talking NBA. Mama knew I'd be a star, mama look what I became. I got Vaughn up on the phone, said he touchdown in LA. I'ma get it how I get it, I ain't changing for the fame. Man, I put it on my name. Lately I've been wasted, I'm so done with this fake shit. I'm so done with you, I'm so done with you. I be so exhausted. You don't hold me down for the last time, baby,
I've just been so lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I just keep going, no, I've been so broken. These niggas done changed, yet they knocking my flows in. All smiles, can't tell that my heart just been frozen. Stay low key, now don't cause no commotion. That's just for promotion, raw is my emotion. These songs that I'm composing, stay fire, that's cause I'm chosen. And I don't do the boasting, but all she do is post them. She like me cause I'm open, and I ain't off the potion. But I might be crispy like a white tee, meditated like Tai Chi, keep a check like Nike. Can't find a nigga that's like me, but I see fuck niggas that's high key. Plotting on me most likely, can't fuck with me cause I'm icy. I've just been so lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. I'm leaning on the fixture, and I've been off the liquor. Sipping on that Remy with the Henny with a mixture. They follow me like scripture, and I've been getting quicker. Been had the upper hand, I hand it like we never gon' fall. All my brothers on call. We forever gon' ball. No, it's nothing at all. I just been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas acting phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Swerving through lanes, I be drifting away. And I can't complain, swear that I be okay. We are not the same, no, I'm never gonna change. Just hey.
I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. I'm tired of this shit, yeah, finna flood my wrist, yeah. I'm writing all these hits, but I wonder what I'm missing. I can never call you my little baby, no. When I drop, I wonder if you say my songs. Cause every time we fucking, we done came and went. But I'm the type to kill for my baby, yeah. I don't care about no fucking Rollie or Mercedes, yeah. Need somebody that really ride or dies with me, yeah. But I don't get in my feelings, I get in my bag. Sorry if you dumb me, no, we can't go run it back. They ain't the first bitch to do the run around. I'ma debut first, I did how that sound. I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide. Said I'm tired of all the acting and the bullshit. Girl, hit me back or I'll be back with a new bitch. You know they trash, but you recycling the same dick. Girl, you stay shameless, bringing up they fucking names, bitch. I can't put my pride to the side this time. Before I blow up, I'm just trying to make you mine. But if you wanna pay me for my tickets, that's fine. All you gotta do is not reply. I can't wear no heart up on my sleeve, cause it's summer, baby. Only rock basic white tees, try and break a milli. I got women lined up on the silly to get faded with me. They get just as freaky in the sheets, try and get naked for me, yeah. I got so much drink in me, wonder if you missing me. These days I can't fucking sleep, cause damn, I'm out here living dreams. If I send this text of mine, shawty, is you down to slide? Don't say not tonight, cause you be busy, tell another lie. I done seen this thousands of times, I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times, so I ain't tryna choose another time. Shawty, tell me now if you be really tryna slide.
Surreal.
Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you, tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways. All discussions turn to arguments, you ain't the one I started with. Ain't no conversations without thinking that I'm bothering. I just hate the feeling, girl, I'm sorry, but I'm blocking it. Caught up in your cycle when I really want no part of it. Like I've been abandoned, you've been losing all my trust. Plus you'd always take advantage, so I knew it wasn't love. Playing on my insecurities, I think I ain't enough. Looking deep into the mirror, counting every single flaw. Now you got me doing things, saying things that I never do. Used to say I love you, now I'm never getting next to you. Take me 30 seconds if I wanna find a better you. Don't know why I deal with it, forget the shit I said to you. The Mayday I'm in, you got me me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose all your efforts, you're up then you're down. This love isn't normal, it's killing me now. Feeling like I'm on a battlefield, I've been now on. First you tell me that you finished, then you said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you, tell me what you want. It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk. Cause I've been on the low and I've been hurting every day. No matter what the story is, I never get it straight. I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the same. I think it might be better if we went and parted ways.
Yeah, I've been thinking about the pain and I can't go back. We ain't never been the same since we left off last. You were running through my veins, had a heart attack. Trying to keep me in your range, wait, fall back. Cause I'm sick of it. Devil and the demon on your shoulder when you're listening. Wishing I was special, but you never treat me different. Talking about a future, but I wonder what you picturing. All you do is run me in a circle, ain't forgiving it. Think I lost my time, then I lost my mind. You're the reason why I toss around in bed all night. Overwhelmed and suffocated all along those lines. Broken hearted every time you tell a lie. I'm Mayday, I'm here. You got me falling down. I'm clearly distressed, but you won't make a sound. You choose
Here
all
we're
your
back
efforts, you're up
for
then
another
you're down.
live.
This love isn't normal, it's killing
Hold
me
on,
now.
I'm gonna put the
Like
mic
I'm on a
closer so you
battlefield,
guys
I've
can
been
hear me
now on.
better.
First you tell me that you finished, then you
Wrong.
said you wanted more. Every day is something different with you, tell me what you
There you
want.
go.
It's hard for me to reason when you barely wanna talk.
Okay, so
Cause I've
we've
been
got
on the low
everything.
and I've been
Market we
hurting
just
every day.
opened
No
just
matter
as
what the
usual.
story is, I
Before
never
market
get it
open, we
straight.
did some
I keep on going back to you, but shit just ain't the
practice
same. I
setups.
think it might be better if we went and parted
Uh,
ways.
Basically practicing the entry drill before market opens. I'm just gonna get the chat box. Up. There you go. Okay, so if I do a quick recap on what happened, basically this was like yesterday's range. We've came back here, make a lower low. We had also the unemployment claims that came out. And basically that's what we practice the drill, entering here and here, coming off right there. So yeah, basically we went back here, we make that lower low here, expanded, so we've got an efficiency here. We've come back down, we came back to that low, but then we expanded again. Now we're quite high within the range. Okay, so that's really nice. That's usually the stuff we are looking for. We have nice displacement, so we've made it a higher high. We have the displacement, and now we should go look for these lows. We'll see how big is that is gonna be. So the plan is, if we are trading back here and displacing lower, this might be a very great opportunity to short the market, especially around that current daily high. That's the previous day's high, and we might go look for that short-term low. I'm gonna stay on the M15. Gonna look at ES also. ES did not reach the current high of the day, by the way. So I might just be waiting for ES to drop as well. No, they're pretty similar at the moment. If ES doesn't break that high, basically we're at the same point. We'll start looking to always wait for like the for the 5 minutes also and the order flow to confirm everything. So we're gonna remove that one. And you see we have changing the delta, minimum delta is changing as well. So it's great information that we can take. Let's share the live to the community. We are live. Okay. Now we're back on the chart.
I can say what I want, I don't fall for the drama. New girl, California. She be driving California. She want me like the vaccine. I made a check, didn't need no degree. I prove them all wrong, who didn't believe.
So what thing is very good about that setup right now is that we make that higher high. We've touched that M15 key level, so I would rather be seeing the pattern at the M15 key level first before displacing lower. So that's why we're just gonna take our time. We're just gonna be waiting for now.
I changed my life when I got rid of problems. I changed my life when I added a comma. Flying to Vegas to meet at a conference. I'll take a risk and I'm confident. I'll face my fear and I'll conquer it. Don't get impressed by a compliment. I'm more impressed from all my accomplishments. More than my diploma.
So what can I expect basically is the market to come back to that high and see if we can displace lower. If we can come back to this high, I was expecting a more aggressive move actually up to the 875, but yeah, that's about it. We have huge delta divergence as well. But I'd rather wait for now because we don't have a significant indication at the moment.
Superhero, I guess we must be my sidekick. I cannot go back, so I've been prowling for a new fix. Smoking different strains. Someone tell me why the booth is. Tell me why you
Yeah, that's about it. Let me look at the dollar as well. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's really good. So if dollar keeps pushing up, but I don't think it will break the high. So yeah, 17,862. We'll see how it goes, because now you see that market actually did expand it higher. But it's not pushing through no more. We'll see if the market actually just take that low and comes higher, or are we actually breaking these lows. The previous bars we have decent volume, about 7,000 and 8,000 volumes. But it's not really that high. And on both assets, if I look at both assets, the candles are not really looking great. We're not used to see candles like this or to trade in those conditions. What's interesting was that zone actually right here had a great effect on price. Yeah, we did not break these lows actually, but from there there is nothing much we have actually. Hold on, I'll try like this. There we go. So that's where we practice our entry drills to go higher. So I was expecting market to price way higher. So what can we expect as well is the same process that happened lower, but around this area. So basically we make lower low, then we skyrocket higher. That's pretty much it. So this was the first retracement. So we have a poke shifting. So the new V poke is change. It keeps on changing. So we have a lot of volume that's coming back up to the market. If you look at the M15, that's still like some sort of like internal of the range, because this was the high and the low of the range. The close price rise was right there. So of course, if we do have that pattern on that low, market should be driving higher, and see what's going on once we reach the high actually. And internally we've had this actually first low market before the news. We made that double low, we expanded higher, so that's our new low right now, and here was the current daily high. So this also looks good if it breaks higher. If we close higher, this should be looking good as well. The only thing is that we are quite high in the range, as you can see. So it would be only inside of that area, basically. How's order flow right now? We still have a great positive delta and decent volume, but we are very close. That's usually setup that I'm trying to avoid because we are really close to value area high. I feel like we have the start of that divergence because yes is not driving higher yet, and Nasdaq does. So like I mentioned before, so I'm pretty sure market might be trying to drive around that high or higher, then this place lower.
bust a move. Look into my eyes, it's me and you, and that's the truth. She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no.
Well, yeah, that's about it.
She wanna kick it like Messi. She be trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me.
Let's look at the M15. How does it look like?
She been playing games, no scrimmage, trying to text. You wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Flew her right out of the state on Monte Carlo. Pink slips, we don't even got a car, no. I've been drinking out this liquor and my sorrows. She wanna kick it like Messi. She be trying to text me. Nothing been the same since the day that you left me. Now I'm on top, I've been whipping in a Tessie. She been playing games, no scrimmage, trying to test
For me, if you were trying to get the buy trade was really around this area, around here. This would have been a very beautiful buy. But later on, I think you're already too high in the range, and I should not be looking for buys right now. At 47, so you'll be up like 10 points, but that's not huge. The best one would have been really understanding what happened here, and same as the yesterday. If you look at the order flow yesterday, we have the same thing. You come at the key level, so the key level was 802. Take the 802. You see, we hit the ask very hard at 802, 801 actually, but it's the key level. We hit the ask very hard, and market doesn't push down, comes back up very hardly, and usually let's provide a buy setup right after. But yeah, no need to trade with your funded account, because that's during news, and you cannot be like putting risk during the news. I feel like it's very dangerous. But yeah, this was like actually the best buy setup you could have handled. And if you look at what happened here, you have that sort of manipulation to the downside. See, but we are not breaking through, and then markets rise up. We could have a lot here selling that displacement, but since it was not at right at the key level, it was before, I was not considering it, pretty much. We will just be waiting patiently, as always. Yeah, that's how it looks like, pretty much.
I say, yo, bitch, a party, call a fiesta. She wanna skirt off in back of the Tesla. Way too fast, I've been missing every rest stop. If we got a problem, send the niggas at your head top. We ain't in the same range, we ain't in the same game. Little nigga Paul Pierce tryna step to MJ. I ain't finna say no name, better stay up in your lane. I've been sunning all these niggas, they don't wanna hear these niggas never ballin'. Broke boy facts, but my money always calling. Finna call back, on my back they put a target. What you call that? I just been a better artist, they won't talk back. Real chat, I've been doing what I want, with no problem from the jump. It don't matter what I'm dropping, all these niggas finna bump. They be fighting over crumbs, I can never be with them. Add up all they fucking totals and you still won't get my sum. And these niggas sleeping on me,
Okay, so you see we came back to that level, and that's starting to be very interesting.
I say, yo, bitch, a party, call a fiesta.
I will annotate this one. And yes, he actually doing the same. When you look at the 5 minutes, it could be really nice. If we close down that candle, we might have our trade. We have a huge shift in the delta. Yes, we have a very decent shift, but we're not closing down yet. And the M15 is showing wicks, so it could be something really interesting. So yeah, this could be a really interesting trade. That'll give us 51, 52. That's not huge, I would say. Here we have that close down.
Shotgun man, slap man, boot it, tune man down, now it's kinda just ruined. Don't think we can sleep on the volume, we came right back and it done 2 beatings. Chilling the same spot, what are you doing? They just don't learn like stupid students. Spot any ops, don't think, just do it. 100% Broski's gonna shoot it. Hop at the ride, he's dashing, catch him, beam man up and then vanish.
Because we have that higher high, we are breaking that low. So any sorts of retracement from that area might be great. Because here it's gonna be making us risking quite a lot. The combination will be this high and this low, if that's an actual low, and we'll wait for it to come back here. We're also gonna have the M15 close as well in 4 minutes. So yeah, that's pretty clear. I would say that's the actual draw. Now, if we can get an entry, it would be nice. But I'm not really interested. The fact that I will be not be very happy about that trade is the fact that ES did not actually take on that current daily high. That's the thing. That's the only thing that um is putting me away from this setup. And so keep in mind that here also could be a setup for continuation.
My mama told me since a kid don't let them play with ya. Came in this game with my niggas and they hating us. Whoa, I got the juices like I'm high C. And shout out Brian, that's my nigga, that boy Brycey. I need a meal, I might just do it, call
So it
me
would be very
Nike.
nice.
These boys my
It
son,
could
I
be a
know
really
they
nice
wanna
trade
be
if we
just
go
like
look for
me.
these lows.
I just really want the bucks. Bucks, I don't need to say too much. Much, my guns are 30, it's a slut, yeah. Slut, cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah. Dust, I just really want the bucks. Bucks, I don't need to say too much. Much, my guns are 30, it's a slut, yeah. Slut, cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah.
That delta divergence as well. But market is not that fluent, I'd say. I'll rotate that array.
If you boys really want drama, I'ma tell they ass pull up. I don't fuck with many niggas, so I keep the hammer tucked. I just really want the bucks. Bucks. I don't need to say too much. Much. My guns are 30, it's a slut, yeah. Slut. Cause it's gon' blow you till it's dust, yeah. Dust. I just really want the bucks.
We'll see how it goes. Now, yes, it's respecting actually pretty well, but we have like the tiny range in terms of values. It's already at the value area low. Yes, it's not really looking good if you look at the 5 minutes, just like Nasdaq. Right now it's not that nice, I'd say. Yes, we do have that nice delta rotation here. So 39 could have been a great entry as well. 39 because we actually like did down close that close candle, and the same thing for like the buy setup. We have buy orders, they've been hitting the bid at the key level, and market is not pushing higher, it's actually is going down. So this is really interesting sometimes. But the fact that our values are coming back very, very tiny, I'm not 100% confident right now. We usually work on a much larger range. It's about like 25 points for the value areas, and that's not really a big deal. Okay, so we gotta pay attention to what just happened here. Pay really good attention to what happened just right now. because we took off from that whole like lower low and equal lows area. We took off from there, and there was the value area low as well. And we've hit the bid very hardly, and as soon as we hit the bid, market starts to rallying a bit, not that huge, but a bit. Really need to be conscious about that, because we are close to value area high, which is great, but the fact that we have that, I don't know what to call it, the fact that we came back to this very strong value area low with higher delta that breaks the high as well, so we need to be really cautious about it. And this one is so tiny, I'm not gonna lie, this one is very tiny, so I'm gonna delete it and see how it goes. We need to be careful. Yes, because we expanded to the upside, we retraced, now we're expanded again, so we need to be really careful. But the fact that it was coming from value area low, it's not bad. I'm telling you, it's not bad. It's just that I'm really having serious doubt on if the market can really like actually come higher, because like I said, ES did not reach for that current daily high, so I'm really thinking that it can do it. And especially if we have that inefficiency on the 5-minute and we break higher, we might have something much more interesting than what's happening on the lower time frame. All we need is the ES to follow through. And I kind of like it, because we have that low here, equal lows, we made a lower low, we are breaking higher, we have that inefficiency as well, so this could be we could have something nice.
I've been catching flights, riding that 4x4. My bitch, she bad, got a fish, she's always wanting more. May one call, get to clapping, they should know you feeling good, but you knew it already. Then I with my bitch, and she said she already.
And the next key level will be the 8077.
Lord, give me mercy already. Show what the show, man, it's been too many. L after L, man, I guess I had plenty. When I was at my lowest, it was popping up confetti. And I don't wanna talk it, all this shit get too heavy.
That's what I was thinking. I'm really not sure if ES is gonna follow through.
Fuck around, hate them bitches, suckers know I'm ballin'. But I've been moving all them fast, you know he hollin'. Bitch, that when I'm walking, extra steady calling. My new bitch, Jeremy, know he fucking till the morning. They be saying that's my brother, way alive, now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause they're all popping like a bitch. Ain't had nobody, I was dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes it not a nothing. Know that pussy where they dripping, that shit buzzing.
Okay, I think I might be going short, because we're on the low of ES and we're on the high of Nasdaq. That's a really tricky one.
that shit we you hauling. Baby, take off my mirror jeans, I'm talking. Fucking till the morning, baby, know I'm dog. They be saying that's my brother, way all out, and now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause I'm all popping like a bitch. Had nobody out dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes a night of nothing. Know that pussy wet and dripping, that shit bustin'. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust them, love me all of a sudden.
This one is a real tricky one, actually.
Love you, wait a minute. Oh, there's a time for everything, and that's the truth. You love somebody, then you turn into a hoe.
And knowing that, yes, it's at the low, and I'm not gonna say it's breaking the low, but it's at the low. For real.
You know, less hit than a queen. You ain't really fuck with me until I blow. We my haters suckers, hope y'all know I hear you. Sitting on West and doing shit, how I'm gon' feel you. Got his money with a new bitch to my
And
left.
dollar
To my
keeps
right,
going up.
talking down, we come around and watch you flinch. They be saying that's my brother, way all out, and now it's down, I ain't convinced. Know they riding on the dick, cause I'm all popping like a bitch. Had nobody out, dolly every day, I reminisce. I had to do something to get rich, this shit go quick, we hit a switch. Had to get to it, man, that makes a night of
47,
nothing.
that's 59.
That shit bustin'. How you gon' fuck with me, you pop out of the sudden. Fuck 'em, I can't trust them, love me all of a sudden.
Okay, we have the order flow coming at minus 45%. We'll try to catch an entry. We have that 5-minute close. Okay. Okay. My bad. Was a little late. Was a little late. Now, all we can do is wait. We have decent wick on the 15 minutes. Oh, I missed my entry. The actual entry was that area. Because yeah, we're on the high of the range. I choked. We still have time yet, but I choked actually on that first one. But it's even better if we get the signal on the 5-minute as well. If we can break that low on the 5-minute, it will be way better. Yeah. Well, I was more looking to measure that range. We'll wait. I'm not gonna be chasing the price in the 1 minute for sure. I'm gonna wait for like here. What do you see here? Okay, can you teach me crypto? Bro, it depends on what you want to do on crypto. It's a whole space where you can do a lot of things, especially for crypto. So it depends, bro. If you're looking to be trading, investing, like as a passive investor, it depends, bro. Depends on a lot of things. Or it could be the fact that we've traded that low and we're gonna be coming higher. We'll wait for 5 minutes to give us something. Now it's not that precise, as you can see. But we still have that huge negative delta going on onto the 5 minutes, even for the minimum delta as well. A decent volume. We have the M15 close like in about 1 minute. I see I would like to learn trading. Well, bro, that's good, bro. That's really good. Now when you get to the trading space in crypto, there is a bunch of ways you can trade, and there is also a huge leverage in the crypto market with, you know, the 20x 10x leverage that you can put on. See, we are down close that candle, then we can back up. That's not the usual like trading condition that we are looking for. This one is good actually. The 41 was good as well, but it's the range is very tiny.
Hey Ross, sauce it up. Rain, rain, calling on my phone. Baby, baby, yeah, yeah, leave me alone. Rain, rain, calling on my phone. Baby, yeah, leave me alone.
See, we're breaking the high for Nasdaq and ES. So that's a struggle. And we actually like up closing that range, but not the high of the day. See, we're pretty high. And yes, we are breaking the low on ES actually. But yeah, where are you coming from, my guy? Depends, bro. Gonna be teaching yourself first. Because yeah, it will depends on a lot of things, bro. Oh, you're Dutch, so yeah, Netherlands, yeah. So yeah, it depends on a lot of things. You know, are you passionate about trading? It's just like a side hustle you want to do. It depends on a lot of things, like external of like the whole business. And once you take all these points, you want to take it like to an actual, like you want to treat it just like an actual business you're starting, right? Okay. Answer to our question. This is really nice. Hold on. Wait, what? So yeah, you see, this is why I'm not shorting. Yeah, thanks. I'll figure it out more once I'm 18. Also, you're not 18, bro, because I love trading and making profit. So have you been trading first in general? Because you can make profit in a lot of different businesses, right? Okay, so now we've reached that key level. Oh, I'm gonna remove this one. So we've hit it, that one. It's the previous day's high. That's beautiful. Okay, so what happened here? This is why I was not confident on trading those type of conditions. It's just because you see the range of the values, it's very tiny, and I'm telling you guys, when the range gets tiny, it's gonna be explosive at some point, and you don't want to be like betting on which way it's gonna be explosive, right? But yeah, it was quite explosive, about 50 points to the upside. So my big guess is this was a retracement. We have a retracement here of that whole extension, I'm pretty sure. Then we'll look for that these highs, right? That's a I'm not gonna say picture perfect, but it's a very good retracement of that extension. And if we were looking to trade it from here, 42, that's 30. So the offer will be at 891. So that will be like the final target. But that's good, bro, if you love trading. That's really good. If you love like price mechanics, here like we are passionate about price mechanics and how like price is being engineered. As you can see, we are at the key level. We hit the bid. Same thing, but from the other side when we hit the ask at a key level low. Now we're at a key level high. So let's see if it's an actual like hard hit on the bid. It will push the market very much higher, and if not, market will just be coming down straightforward. But here it's a nice looking trade, I would say. It's a nice looking trade. Can we come and hit those 1800 today? I'm not sure, to be honest, because dollar is it's actually choppy. It's not expanding nowhere. But yeah, bro, if you're passionate about trading, bro, you're at the right place. So but have you been like actually like trading or paper trading yet? Like, where did you start it? Which instrument are you trading on? I'm kind of curious about it.
Let me sip on my tropical juice, and let me smoke this tropical weed. I got the medicine flavors. Don't think that this shit comes cheap. So, bitch, don't moan when I charge 15 for a D. Just a little nigga in his zone. Grind hard, can't stay on these streets. Mishmash and I'm doing it all. Dip splash and I'm getting in peak. I'm in the field all day. No time for these stupid neeks. Come, bitch, come my way. Just watch how veteran speaks. Tooled up on the left for my prey. The Wiggins don't want me to eat. Man, the hood's all mad. I wish I could just make my pee, but these bitches on me, so you know I can't lack. The J boys really on my back, got me in and out of court, got me feeling a twat. And it's all my fault, cause I'm always getting caught like I'm better than that. The feds got like 10 of the gang, 3 R1, 3 match, 3 ties.
Right at the key
Rest in
level
peace
on
my
the 5
brothers,
minute.
RP Jets, RP T bands. I barely sweet one with a mean kickback.
So there is about like 10 points.
RP my brothers, gorgeous thing, amazing round. Smiles when the pack came in, now we gotta break this down. In and out with the gorgeous thing, that was an amazing round. What she do with that shit? I didn't even make a sound. Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt.
So what happened when they hit the bid? We move up to 10 points, which is not very huge, but let's see how the price gonna be trading when we've come back. I used to trade before from like $10 to $2,000, but now I want to trade like trade for real. When you say like trade for real, bro, Are you talking about like getting professional, like being more professional about your trading? Because yeah, from $10 to $2,000 is good, right? It gives you confidence, and you know it can show you can lead you somewhere, yeah. But would you more like looking for to be on the professional path, or like just, you know, when you say trade for real, like, you know, building capital and just having it as a personal capital? Like what does drive you when you say I want to trade, like trade for real?
Couple draw outs came in, now we gotta take them out. Don't slip, come on niggas got it no doubt. Stay stocked up, real shit, the plug don't see no drought. Bro said he gotta move, cool, show me the ins and outs. Said quick, we're in and we're out if he's giving that. You can catch me running through hell.
Yeah, this could have been a decent trade, yeah, here. But the fact that we came back and we didn't even touch the value area low, and we're coming back breaking this high, this could have been also a great trade, as you can see. But unfortunately did not take it, because I'm telling you the value area were very low. But that's the trade. Ultimately, that's the trade. I don't wanna like stop after $2,000, but like keep going. Okay. Well, that's good. You can keep going, but what's your goal then? Like, what will be the final goal? Like, where do you wanna go for it? Because you know you can make money or that kind of like making profit in other industry or businesses. Are you trying to say that, you know, are you trying to become a master? And what do you want to master? Like, is it like trading crypto, master trading, I don't know, forex or indices like we do? I used to be like trading like forex and other pairs and stuff, but then I'm really like focusing on indices at the moment. My goal is like getting my money up so I can make it work, basically. Okay, I feel you, bro. I feel you. So basically, yeah, you want to build some capital, then invest it into some sort of assets, yeah, and make it grow by itself, right? Or like, so you don't have to work for it, pretty much. That's the type of goal you're looking for. And trading crypto, yeah. Okay, that bro, there is a lot of things coming trading crypto, right? Because or there is different type of ways of trading crypto. Why am I saying that? Because you know you can be trading crypto, entering in and out of a coin like very early, and you know sometimes when you got on early with the right information, it's gonna pop very hard. Or you can be just taking a normal pair and swing trade it. Actually, I have a couple of buddies, they do that. They go on solid pairs and they swing trade it. Or you can, it depends, like how do you feel, like what's the trading style you're more comfortable with. Also, that's gonna be having an impact on what you do. Okay, we're gonna get that 1 hour close. But yeah, thanks for taking the time on writing down comments, bro. I stopped like doing training, stopped doing coaching and everything to just be active on live stream and sharing most of the thing that I know, or everything that I've been through, and I will be going through some more shit in the trading journey, and I want to share everything like for free.
I'm replacing that. Memories, I'm erasing that. Gotta go, I'm escaping that. Matter of fact, I'm upgrading. Got me a couple of dimes in my rotation, one in relations. Bigger than no conversation. Ain't got the time, too much celebrating. Another day, another dog. Now she want me as a
Probably the safest option, but in the long run, when I get like familiar, I would be I can see the message, bro. Well, I will get the better paid path. Okay, I got you. But the safest option, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro, it really depends on how you are as an actual human, you know, like your real personality trait. Uh, because you know, somebody can tell me, yeah, bro, I'm very safe on just, you know, coming into the market, take like 15 points and I'm off. Or some people are gonna be like, the safest option is just, you know, to buy in the Monday and sell Friday, or buy January and sell November. It really depends, bro. All right, bro. Stay safe. Stay safe. You can subscribe. You know, hit us with DM if you have any other question later on, bro. Thanks for showing the love, bro. Really appreciate it.
Shorty, she see that I'm on. Already know that I'm paid. I've been a beast, I just got off the leash and I'm breaking right out of the cage. She wanna hop on the wave. Told her to hop on my face. It's too late for that.
Ah, bro, it's good. I'm here for you. I'm here for that. I'm here for that. I'm doing live stream to, if I can do from my own position, like be helping people that are going through that rough journey of trading. Peace, bro. Take care. Take care, bro. Take care, my guy.
It's one hell of a life. No, we moving fast, so I'm taking my time. 23 like
So we see we are breaking aggressively. If I look at ES right now, we did not reach the high yet. So I might be just waiting for ES to reach its high first.
And you know you nearly get a kid a heart attack. I'm just happy that I'm leaving with my heart intact. Big orange, big old chains, thick love frame and that big orange. Then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like this pretty little thing got a hold on me and we be rocking. All this silky linen that be lining up my pockets. Know I'm good with you, fuck around and got it poppin'. All I want is you, I don't need no other options. I'ma hit the gas, put that shit in autopilot. And I'm riding with my baby, going stupid, going crazy. In the back of a Mercedes, getting money on the daily. Police wanna raid me, but there ain't shit that can fade me. Cause if you ain't my lady, then I'm screaming, fuck you, pay me. I was on the north side, now I'm sitting courtside, center of the room.
Okay, so very interesting. We're gonna come back to those who hit the bid actually here and see how it goes. We have a 9,000 volume when the price came up, and we have some sort of inefficiency at 866. So let's see what's what. 866.
And we be shining with my baby, that my shorty right beside me. That's my ex, she gon' say I did it slimy. So ahead, you can't see me with your hobbies. Check the wrist, now we call that perfect timing. And you know that we be riding, never needed space, then I'm buying you an island. And I love to call you darling, every time you call me late at night. Pour up another cup when we get to my place, you feel good, you can let loose. She say, you love my face, get it tattooed. I say, go post a pic, get my attitude. Shawty with a body and the shape is like a dollar sign. Come and put it on me, know you wanna hear me call it mine. Blowing on my phone, but I'm switching numbers all the time. With you, I go on and there's a lot of money on the line. Big orange, big old chains, thick love frame and that big orange. Then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like this pretty little thing got a hold on me. Big orange, big old chains, thick love frame and that big orange. Then I met you, shit ain't been the same. Like this pretty little thing got a hold on me.
looking at ES right now. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay. Let's see what do we get.
Alex, run that shit back. Hey, yo, Hypno, that shit fire, bro.
Yeah. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why. How could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why. How could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and
So
I
we
can't
pushed
lie.
through
Really
about
fucking with
20
me, and
points.
I can't get you out my mind. Shawty, I don't
Oh,
think it's cool the
let's
way
see
you
how it
playing with
goes.
the boy. Switching up, changing up, I swear you play me like a toy. I did you right, I always try. I should've listened to my boy. Cause they was right, I didn't
71.
listen. Now you flaking on the boy. I can't do this anymore. I be going back and forth. These girls, they all the fucking same. They playing games and I ain't for it.
7.5.
Put you in that new Dior. Now she acting like a whore.
63.
Girl, I was holding on to you, but
We
I
gotta let
can't
the
hold
price
on
come back
anymore.
to a 63 first and see how it goes.
Hey, can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why. How could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause girl, I need you by my side. Hey, can you do this for me? Cause lately I've been asking why. How could she do this to me? I'm in my bag and I can't lie. Really fucking with me, and I can't get you out my mind.
Okay, now we've hit the ask around the same level, so that's very telling as well. But I just need for the ES to see if it can close down that gap, and if it does, we might have something. I'm saying we might. We have about a couple of minutes to go. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Bathroom calls. Okay, we're back. We have that closed, and it actually, yeah, it's closing on the block. Mm. Yeah. Hold on, got a customer coming in. Ah, well, there is a lot of traffic today.
Bonjour monsieur, je voulais savoir si j'étais au bon endroit déjà. Je vais envoyer un colis. Est-ce que je suis au bon endroit? DHL.
Avec Olivier, oui, c'est bon. Ça, c'est la liste de retour.
Oui, c'est ça. Et du coup, est-ce que après, je me suis renseigné là, c'était bon. Et je voulais savoir si, est-ce que ça va ce que je vais faire ou est-ce qu'il faut que c'est-à-dire en gros, si je colle comme ça, c'est bon, ou s'il faut un truc plus gros, différent.
Non, mais c'est bon, je vais faire le
Oui. Ah, bien, c'est un peu ici. Ah, ce fameux CBD. Oui, moi, l'année dernière, j'en ai acheté pour le mal de dos. C'était bien efficace. Il y a beaucoup de choses pour lesquelles c'est efficace. Et justement, ça veut dire que ça agit. Pardon. Ça veut dire que ça agit en même temps sur différentes choses.
Alors, oui, c'est beaucoup faire
Ah,
quand je vois ça, c'est de l'acheter pour le corps, en se physique. Quelque chose qui va être plus sur
oui, d'accord. Mais alors, quand des personnes nous disent ça va agir sur le sommeil, mais alors c'est faux.
Alors, en fait, si ça ne veut pas parce que le sommeil, c'est pas à 100% sur le
Oui, d'accord. Ah oui, le côté musculaire, ça.
côté exactement.
Ah, d'accord.
Là, des choses qui vont vous endormir.
Oui.
C'est quelque chose qui aide beaucoup à rentrer dans le
Relâchement des muscles et tout ça. Ah, oui, c'est vrai, d'accord, ok. D'accord, d'accord. plus mal de dos, ça va être pareil. Là. Ça me relaxe, quoi. C'est pour ça que j'aimerais bien les exactement. Eh bien, c'est super. Merci. Au revoir. Merci.
Okay, we're back at it. So yeah, pretty much this is what happens. We have that extension, so basically we are assuming that we'll break that high. We're coming back here, we're sweeping these lows, we'll break that small short-term high that we could have bought at 840 something, 842. We go up to the 890, but the fact that on ES we have a hard time like coming up to this high, we're trading that value area low. As you can see here, okay, so what is really interesting here, it's on the M15. We have that inefficiency starting at 72. We have that whole void right there. And yes, it's going down. Actually, 15 points down almost. About like 7 points down for ES. It's not really good. We're more looking to get these lows and trade lower. Special. Telling you, very special. A very special day. Because I would have like trying to go for like the continuation trade up from there. From 66 right here, 65, 66. But it's tricky. It's tricky. I would say that we missed the trade. When I say we missed the trade, is that this was market open. We here like breaking higher. We come back lower here, take these lows out, down trading higher, break that high, break higher, retracing back here, and we break that high. And this is the area where we're looking for that buy setup, right? But I think no trading. We don't have our A plus setup. We'll still be waiting for that. What's gonna be the price at that high? Well, nothing much we can expect, to be honest. Let's see how friends performing. So we have a little bit of fun. See how friends performing.
The Science Olympiad.
Why though? Why? I think I'm gonna get off on 11:30 almost. And ES is going down. That's crazy. That's the most crazy part I'm witnessing right now. Like that. And Nasdaq like keep pushing through, and ES is not. We had way more volume than before. We came back down to 3,000 volumes. Oh yeah, we were high. We're way higher. In those cases that I'm not trying to chase price. To be completely honest with y'all, let's not be chasing price. Yeah, it's very good. Could have been very, very good. Okay, 66. And the fact that we make that lower low here, just wanted to double check on something. Here to here. That doesn't match my criteria. I'm gonna be honest, that does not match my criteria to enter. Could be a very good trade if you buy from here. But yeah, it doesn't match any of my criterias for now. And also because we are way too high in the market. Oh, no, that's not good. Why is that not good? Because yes, hasn't been like disrespecting it. That's the thing. Okay. Uh, I'll do this. 63. How's the order flow? Because look, that looks like a typical like rotation, delta rotation at the high, and ES is going to the bottom side of the map. So this will more look like a trade that I would have taken. Mm. So we are not closing lower, but we're closing. We're definitely closing inside of it. So that will be 57. Okay, minimum delta has been increased. Now we're gonna come back to that 75 area. Can we get something? Okay. I think I'm gonna end the live, to be honest. When you look at what market has been doing,
Bonjour monsieur, je suis un récupérant colis. NRHAYDER. Merci, plaisir de votre courage. Au revoir.
okay, there we go. So as planned, we came back to that inefficiency, and market should be driving higher from there. So ES does, with a lot of struggle, but it does. 58. That's really 10 points, and if you take half of it, 66. Yeah, this could have been a very great entry. But the objective is to build confidence to 915. That's the final goal. So that was the allegedly key level. We came back here. That that's not bad. That's not bad. All right, I'll end the live. Peace to everybody that came and reaching the live. Even if you reach later on, it will be a great pleasure to exchange